Welcome to our channel Electron Chemistry Tutorial. I am Vijayalaxmi. Now, I am going to share with you paper pattern blueprint and important questions for AP students. Okay. So, are you preparing well for final exams? Well done. Keep it up. So, happy learning. Okay. So, let's start. So, AP second year chemistry paper pattern. So, we will have three sections. In that first section, section A, there will be 10 questions, 10 VSQs. So, we need to write answers for 10 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. We'll get 20 marks. In section B, so we will have 8 short answer type questions. We need to write answers for 6 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. We will get 24 marks here. So, finally, third section, section C. So, question number 19, 20, 21 are LAQs, long answer type questions. We need to write answers for 2 questions, any 2 questions. So, each question carries 8 marks. So, we'll get 16 marks here. So, totally, we will get 60 marks. There will be 76 marks paper, but we need to write only 60 marks. Clear? So, the next blueprint. So, after reducing 30% syllabus, we have this blueprint chapter wise. Solid state 6 marks weightage, they will give 1 2 marks question and 1 4 marks question. So, next solution 6 marks weightage. So, they will give 2 marks question 1, 4 marks question 1. So, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, 14 marks weightage. So, they will give 1 VSQ, 1 short answer type question, 1 long answer type question. Surface chemistry 6 marks weightage, 2 plus 4. Okay. P block elements 15, 16, 17, 18th group elements. Total weightage 16 marks. So, in that, they will give 2 marks questions to 1 4 marks question and 1 8 marks question. Okay. So, D and F block and coordination compounds. So, here 6 marks weightage, they will give 1 VSQ, 1 short answer type question. Next, biomolecules also 6 marks weightage, they will give same 2 plus 4. So, haloalkane, haloarenes from organic. So, they will give 6 marks weightage, they will give same 2 plus 4. Remaining organic chapter. So, 10 marks weightage, they will give 1 VSQ, 1 LAQ. Okay. So, the next, so LAQs. For LAQs, we need to concentrate on electrochemistry and chemical kinetics and P block elements. Next, organic chemistry. Okay. So, let's see LAQs from these chapters. Electrochemistry and chemical kinetics. So, first question, what is electrolysis? Explain state Faraday's laws. So, this is Faraday first law problem. Okay. So, a solution of copper sulfate electrolyzed for 10 minutes with current 1.5 amperes. So, what is the mass of copper deposited in the cathode? Okay. So, by changing this time and amperes, they will give another problem also. So, maybe will give. Okay. So, next question, state and explain coal ash land applications. Next, galvanic cell, how they are constructed, we explain their working. Next, order and molecularity. So, write the differences between them. So, name one bimolecular, trimolecular gases reactions. Next, discuss the effect of temperature and rate of a reaction. Okay. Next, P block elements. From 15th group elements, we will expect to long answer type questions. So, what is that? So, nitric acid preparation manufactured by Hostowal process. How nitric acid reacts with followings. Okay. So, next, ammonia manufactured by Haber process. How ammonia reacts with followings. These are very, very expected questions. Next, 16th group elements. How is ozone prepared from oxygen? How ozone reacts with followings. Next, so 17th group elements, chlorine preparation by laboratory method or Decaun's method. How does chlorine reacts with followings? Next, how chlorine prepared by electrolyting method here. So how explain with how reacts with followings. Okay. 18th group elements, how are xenon trifluoride, tetrafluoride, hexafluoride prepared. So explain their reactions with water and discuss their structures. Okay. So this is 3 parts. Okay. So this for preparation 4 marks, for reactions with water 4 marks, structures also 4 marks. Okay. Next, Our xenon trioxide and xenon oxy tetrafluoride prepared give their structures. These are most expected question. See, if they won't come in long answers, they will come in short answer type questions. Don't ignore them. So should learn these questions. Okay. So from organic, we will expect three types, three questions. Explain SN1, SN2 reaction mechanism. Explain the following terms: Kolb reaction, Riemann-Taymer reaction, Williamson ether synthesis. Next, explain following reactions: aldol condensation, cross aldol condensation, decarboxylation, Cannizzaro reaction. So these are what LAQs from electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, and P-block elements and organic chemistry. Okay. Next, go for short answer type questions, 4 marks questions. So first chapter from solid state. Derive Bragg's equation. Define Schottky-Frenkel defect. Explain the similarities, differences between metallic and ionic crystals. Explain why ionic solids are hard and brittle. Calculate the efficiency of packing in case of the metal in simple cubic structure. So these are important shots from solid state. Next, solutions. So what is RLVP? How to useful to determine molar mass of the solute. How many types of solutions are formed? So give their examples. Next to this, define mole fraction problem. So this is also define mole fraction problem. So define molality, yeah, small m. Third, molality problem. So define molarity. So this is molarity problem. Okay. Next, vapor pager. So this is Raoult's law problem. 7th question, 8th question, Raoult's law problems. Next, 9th one, molarity problem again. So okay. So you can note down or take screenshot, ma. So next, 10th question. So solution of sucrose labeled as means this is mole fraction problem. Okay, 10th one also mole fraction problem. Calculate the non-volatile solute. This is a 11th one. What? Raoult's law problem. Next, this is osmotic pressure. Okay, so these 12 questions are we will expect from solutions. Okay, so you need to concentrate on the problems here. Okay, next. Electrochemistry, chemical kinetics shorts. State, explain Nernst equation with the help of the metallic electrode, non-metallic electrodes. What is she? Stranded hydrogen electrode, construction, working. So write the Nernst equation for the EMF of the cell. Nickel by nickel plus 2, parallel lines Ag plus by Ag. Next, define and explain order of reaction. So it is obtained experimentally. Half-life. So derive the value for zero order and first order. What is Arrhenius equation? Simply this is what effect of temperature on the rate of a reaction. 6th question. Next, explain the following terms: average rate of a reaction, slow and fast reactions, order of reaction, molecularity of reaction, activation energy of a reaction. Okay. So next, discuss the effect of catalyst on the kinetics of chemical reaction with the suitable diagram. Means effect of catalyst on the rate of a reaction. Derive the integrated rate equation for zero order and first order. Okay. Next, what is the rate of a reaction? Explain the factors effect. Okay. Next, a reaction has half-life 10 minutes. Calculate the rate constant for the reaction. Okay. So calculate the half-life of first order reaction. Here half-life is given, but here K is given. So by using same formula, so we will calculate what? KRT. Okay. So next, surface chemistry shorts. Define terms: absorption, adsorption, adsorbent, adsorbate. Differences between physisorption, chemisorption, lyophilic, lyeophobic, colloidal solution. Explain the following terms: electrophoresis, coagulation, Tyndall effect, Brownian momentum. What is a micelle? So how they are formed, mechanism, and in the cleaning action of soap. Okay. So what is coagulation? Explain suitable example. So what are colloidal solutions? How they are classified? Give example. Describe the predict arc method for preparation of colloidal solution with neat diagram. Describe the Carter smoke precipitator with neat diagram. Define gold number. Okay. Next chapter, P-block elements. So explain the anomalous nature of N2 in 15th group elements. Explain the structures of SO4 minus to SO3 BRF by IF7. So how can you prepare Cl2 from HCl and HCl from Cl2? Write the reactions. So what are interhalogen compounds? Define how they are classified. So write the balance equation. NaCl is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid in the presence of MnO2. Chlorine is passed into the solution of NaI, sodium iodide in water. So how does P4 reacts with following SOCl2, SO2, Cl2? Okay, next finally. So how is the ClF3, chlorine trifluoride is prepared. How does reacts with water? Explain its structure. So which oxide of sulfur can act as both oxidizing and reducing agent? Give an example each. The next D and F coordination compounds. What is the first expected question? Wedner's theory with example. So characteristics properties of transition elements. Next terms: ligand, ambidentate ligand, coordination number, coordination entity, central metal atom or ion. Okay. Next, write the IUPAC names of the following coordination compounds. Write the formula for the IUPAC names of the compounds. Okay. So these are IUPAC names. So we need to write what? Structures. So next question, write IUPAC names for the following coordination numbers. So these are formulas, coordination formulas. We need to write IUPAC names for these formulas. Okay. Next, give the oxidation number of central atom in the following complex entities. In that, which is central atom. So how much is its oxidation number we need to calculate. Next, what are homoleptic and heteroleptic complexes? Give example for each. So what is meant by chelate effect? Give examples. Next chapter, biomolecules. So biomolecule, first important question, vitamins. Write a note on vitamins. Maybe they will give. So source and deficiency diseases, A, D, E, K vitamins or BC vitamin. Okay. So next, write a note on amino acids. So what are hormones? Give example for each. So which hormones? A, steroid hormones. B, polypeptide hormones. Next, amino acid derivatives. Define carbohydrates. How they are classified based on the taste, hydrolysis function. Okay. Next, what are proteins? Classification. How they are classified into fibrous globular proteins. So explain the classification of proteins, primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary proteins with respect to their structure. So explain the denaturation of proteins. So write a brief note on the structure of glucose. Next, important of carbohydrates. Okay. So then lastly, organic chemistry. So how will you carry out the following conversions? Ethane to bromoethane, toluene to benzyl alcohol. Next, give equations for the preparation of phenol from cumin. So write the products formed by the reduction and oxidation of phenol. Explain the acidic nature of phenol when compared with alcohol. So next, mechanism of hydration of ethane to ethanol. So terms: racemic mixture, retention, configuration, enantiomer, racemization. Next, arrange the following increasing order of their acidic strength: benzoic acid, 4 methoxybenzoic acid, 4 nitrobenzoic acid, and 4 methyl benzoic acid. First, we need to write formulas, then arrange them in increasing order of acidic strength. So, write the equations of any aldehyde with failing reagent. What is Tollens reagent? Explain reactions with aldehydes. Write the reactions of aromatic aliphatic primary amines with nitrous acid. Okay. So, given chemical test for distinguish between the following pairs of the compound. So, how to distinguish methyl amine, dimethylamine, aniline, N-methyl aniline. Next, name reactions. You need to concentrate on the name reaction that I'm giving some repeated name reaction: HVJ reaction, carbalamine test, esterification, Wurtz reaction, Wurtz fitting reaction. Okay. So these are what expected short answer type questions. Okay. So from all chapters. Okay. So in the next video, I will give you VSAQs from chapter wise. Okay, don't miss that video. So this video is very important for those who are studying intermediate chemistry, means MPSC, BPSC, MEC students. So in AP. So please share this video and help them. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks.